Video style. Professional, clean, high-value business content, fast-paced but clear, no human face shown, no copyrighted content, no background music with copyright. Use royalty-free or AI-generated music. Topic: How to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI that avoids copyright and generates income. Structure. 1. Hook. First 5 to 10 seconds. Visually dynamic text on screen like, "This faceless YouTube channel makes money, no copyright." No camera, no experience. 2. Introduction. Explain the promise of the video, why traditional music, viral content fails, monetization. 3. Core content, step by step. Step 1. Choosing high CPM niches, AI, business, productivity. Step 2. Writing scripts with AI. Step 3. AI voiceover creation. Step 4. Visual generation using stock footage, screen recordings, or AI clips. Step 5. Publishing and scaling. 4. Monetization section. Explain affiliate marketing with AI tools, emphasize recurring income. Soft call to action. Tool link in description. 5. Conclusion. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Tease future AI+ monetization content. Visuals. Abstract tech animations. Stock footage of laptops, dashboards, analytics, automation. Animated text overlays to highlight key points. Simple icons and diagrams. Subtle zooms and transitions every 3 to 5 seconds. Voiceover. Neutral, confident, native English AI voice. Calm but persuasive tone. Business-focused narration. Text overlays. Short, punchy sentences. Emphasize high CPM, no copyright, faceless, recurring income. Ending. Strong but non-aggressive CTA. Subscribe for more AI monetization strategies. Your goal is to maximize audience retention and affiliate conversions while keeping the content educational, ethical, and realistic. Imagine launching a YouTube channel that skyrockets in viewers. What if I told you that you could not only gain subscribers but also turn them into loyal customers? Today, we'll explore how to grow your YouTube channel while boosting conversions. First, let's talk about audience retention. Retaining your viewers keeps them engaged. You'll need compelling content and structure. Start by planning your videos. A clear outline will help keep your videos focused. Next, craft enticing hooks. The first 10 seconds are critical. Grab attention with questions, surprising facts, or bold statements. This sets the tone for your video and encourages viewers to stick around. Now, let's discuss consistent branding. Use similar thumbnails, intros, and video styles. This helps viewers instantly recognize your content. Create an appealing logo and consistent color scheme. Trust and recognition boosts subscriber numbers. When creating video content, deliver high-quality information. Break concepts into bite-sized segments. Use lists, graphics, or visuals to illustrate your points. This makes it easier for viewers to absorb information. Educate your audience about your offerings. Clearly explain your product or service's benefits. Focus on how it solves their problems. Use relatable language to connect emotionally. Let's use an example. Imagine you're teaching about organic gardening. Share practical tips, like composting at home. Explain how it reduces waste and boosts plant health. Show before and after visuals to highlight real impact. Now, let's talk about calls to action, CTAs. They're essential for conversions. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and click on affiliate links. Use phrases like, "Check the link in the description," or "Join our community for more tips." To summarize, prioritize audience retention and engagement. Use compelling hooks and consistent branding. Educate with clear, actionable information. Promote your offerings strategically and include effective CTAs. Ready to transform your YouTube channel? Start implementing these tips today for growth and conversions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Your journey to YouTube success starts now.